Imagine buying furniture without ever stepping into a store, yet still seeing exactly how it will look in your room. You open an app, point your phone at your living space, and instantly place a virtual sofa in front of you. Or imagine trying on clothes, glasses, or makeup without physically wearing them. This is the power of AR and VR in marketing, where technology turns imagination into interactive experience. Augmented reality, AR, adds digital elements into the real world, usually through smartphones or tablets. Companies use AR to let customers visualize products before buying them. A well-known example is IKEA, which allows users to place virtual furniture in their homes to see how it fits and looks. This reduces uncertainty and helps customers make more confident purchasing decisions, addressing what marketers call perceived risk. On the other hand, virtual reality, VR, creates a completely immersive digital environment. Instead of adding elements to the real world, VR places users inside a fully virtual experience. Brands use VR to create engaging storytelling experiences, virtual tours, or product demonstrations. For example, real estate companies allow customers to walk through properties virtually, even if they are thousands of miles away. One of the biggest advantages of AR and VR marketing is experience-driven engagement. Instead of just seeing an advertisement, customers interact with the product in a meaningful way. This makes the experience more memorable and increases the likelihood of purchase. When customers can try before they buy, it builds confidence and reduces hesitation. Many brands also use AR for interactive campaigns. Social media platforms like Instagram and Snapchat offer AR filters that brands use to create fun and shareable experiences. These filters often go viral, allowing companies to reach large audiences without traditional advertising. AR and VR are also transforming retail and e-commerce. Online shopping often lacks the physical experience of trying or testing products, but AR helps bridge that gap. Customers can see how a product looks, fits, or functions in their environment, making online shopping more interactive and reliable. The future of marketing is moving toward immersive experiences where customers don't just see products, they experience them. As AR and VR technologies become more advanced and accessible, they will play a major role in how brands engage with audiences and influence decisions. This is the Learning Studio, and in the next episode, we will explore the future of marketing and how technology, data, and AI will reshape the industry in the coming years.